Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 29th to the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. No? So kung hindi nyo po naaabutan ang live sessions, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So this is a general reading, Virgo. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So, take what's only yours. Virgo, simulan na natin. Parang we're not actually sure if we are putting our own happiness in the situation or pinapasaya tayo ni person. So parang hindi ko sinasabing you're faking your happiness, but am I really happy because of the service, no? Yung love language ni person, or meron lang talaga akong positive outlook, no? So wala namang issue kung meron kang positive outlook, but for you, if I am creating my own happiness, why would I need someone, no? Parang sa'yo kasi it's more of I know that I am giving service, no, to my person, but does my person is doing the same effort, no? um I think that what you are also doing in here or probably observing is that your person is doing some changes, um positive changes actually. Probably you also have some fear, no, if your person's gonna parang continuously gonna do this effort or sa una lang ba, no? You're thankful, no, that you are in a connection. You're thankful that your person is also doing some positive changes. I guess that the bottom line of the oracle cards here is it a consistent effort, or are we gonna go back, no, dun sa parang sabihin nating not really so um enthusiastic experience, no? Well, with the moon card and the six of pentacles, I feel like you are overthinking, no? You're overthinking because of what's really happening here. Parang actually, Virgo, you're so perfectionist. That's the Virgo thing, right? Ang one of the mottos of Virgo is better late than come in ugly. Ayan, 'di ba? So the vainest uh, zodiac of them all, no? Um, so parang are we trying to orchestrate things our way? Medyo nakikick in yung perfectionism natin dito, no? The sun and okay. Pwede nyo ba akong patawarin? I probably opened my mouth a little bit earlier kasi nakakita naman ako dito na your person did something in the past. Alright. So, sabihin natin you're just afraid of baka bumalik itong taong to dun sa mga dati niyang ugali. Or you're trying to avoid, no? Nag-i-interfere na ba itong pagiging controlling, no, ng Virgo? Or is Virgo just observing? Me as a reader, that's my question. Let's clarify the seven of swords, the death card, and the lover. So that really confirms that probably in the past, nagkaroon na kayo ng separation, whether it is physical or energetic. So, so we have a jumper, the Ace of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. I love how the aces in here, para kasing bumalik itong passion ni person, bumalik itong, sabihin nating enthusiasm, no? Yun naman talaga, there's no perfect relationship. And I believe that dumaan tayo sa isang pace na medyo rocky, if I may say, but buti na lang naagapan, especially with the death card in here. I think if you are overthinking, ayan na naman ako, magpipreempt ako. Ang ayoko kasi nagpipreempt. Let's get some more cards here, Virgo, bago ko ma-preempt. Mamaya, bawiin ko na naman, no? The Three of Coins, the Two of Coins, the the Three of Cups, and the Magician. So I feel like itong changes ni person is consistent naman siya, no? Uh, are you, I think Virgo here is afraid of also giving so much, like what they did before. I think that they have been so generous with a lot of energies, effort, no? And parang muntikan, no? Buti na lang hindi nasayang. Yun yung kanyang fear. So the Moon card and the Two of Coins is still clarified by the Two of Coins. So this clarifies that you are overthinking. You wanted to trust the person, you wanted to, sabihin natin, well, binigyan mo naman siya ng chance, no? But I think that the most dominant energy here is your fear, no? Virgo. As the card is saying, no, dire-diretso naman itong changes at pagbabago ni person. So there's nothing to worry about. I feel like natuto naman na, no, si person. So let's check here the emotion. I'm sorry. Ah, binawi ko lang sa kain. Kulang tayo sa tulog. Sinet up pa natin itong, ang dami natin ginawa. Nag-set up tayo, may mga personal readings, merong videos, actually late na nga ng, for a day. I'm trying to catch up, plus the fact, meron pa tayong legal battles, no, na dahil dyan sa mga fake accounts. Either way, let's check the emotion. Pagpasensyahan nyo na kung medyo puyat, binabawi ko lang talaga sa kain para at least kahit papano may energy tayo so that I can deliver this message to you. I've been fighting a battle I can't win and I dream about a future with you. So I think that this is Virgo's energy na parang sinasabi niya dito na nakikita ko naman kasi yung sarili ko, no, sa iyo, sa ating person, no. Kaya ayoko lang yung nasasayang yung energy ko, no. In fact, siguro bigyan mo ko ng security, no. That's the best gift that you can offer me, no? Especially, no, season nyo to. So Virgo, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So Taurus, Pisces, Scorpio, Gemini. I am seeing Leo, Cancer, baka Virgo, Capricorn, yan. Sagittarius. So, Virgo, Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit a Zoom notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dito po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV, no? Kung hindi po kayo, hindi nyo maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong, no, dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. Virgo, kilalang-kilala nyo po ang inyong sarili. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na kayo sa ating description box, no? Nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click that link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Unang bubungad po sa inyo is yung question form. Hindi po kasya sa screen no? Yung buong page. So, ibaba nyo lang, no? Hover the screen, no, hover the page, makikita niyo sa baba QR codes and they are labeled. So nandoon po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. Speaking of the number, nandun po yung number ko. I posted the number, no, for transaction purposes. Madami po kayong ways para mag-reach out sa akin, no? Sa mga social medias, may mga inboxes po, merong DMs, no? Or personal message. Emails, nandyan din po yan. Comment sections, no? Pwede po kayo. Sana po huwag kayong tumawag, no? Kasi iba na yung body clock ko. Baka magkaiba tayo ng body clock, no? Baka nagpapahinga ako nung time na yon, no? Konti na nga lang yung tulog na ka-cut off pa. Or baka gumagawa tayo ng video, mag-ring, I need to do another videos if that's the case. So, at saka hindi naman po tayo magkaibigan pa, no? So, huwag po tayong tumatawag. Tsaka napag-close na talaga. Ayan. At saka hindi ko rin siya masyadong sinasagot, no? Kasi nga, busy tayo, no? So, ayan, huwag po tayong tumawag. Ang tawag po dun is yung etiquette, no? Social etiquette, no? When it comes to the usage of phone. Ayan. Lalo na kung walang pahintulot, huwag po basta-basta tatawag. Ayan. Nandun naman po yung inyong again, marami tayong ways para mag-reach out sa akin. So, Virgo, makikita nyo rin dun yung 4 questions plus 1. So, yeah, take advantage of it kasi discounted na, may libre pang isa. Now, if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa QR codes, pakihanap na lang. Ayan. Marami po tayong videos na hindi rin pinopost dito, nakakalat po siya sa ibang social medias, especially mga ex readings or yung mga readings about exes. If you still care about your ex, sa Facebook po yan, no? Kung di nyo mahanap yung Facebook, doon po sa mismong question form, may mga icons po doon. All you need to do is to click that icon. Kung Facebook, click the icon, Facebook icon or Facebook logo. Dediretso na kayo doon sa page, no? All you just need to do is to follow. Ayan. So, para wala nang hanap-hanap, pinapadali ko na lahat sa inyo. Ayan. So, Virgo, kung gusto niyo naman sumali sa ating raffle, ng how to win a free reading with me, all you need to do is to report those fake accounts na nagko-consume pa din ng time natin. Ayan. And then, take a screenshot and send your screenshot to the designated email para po doon tayo pipili, no, ng winner. So Virgo, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.